As you know, Fortnite is an extremely popular game, and if you're playing now, you'll know that the Fortnite Mares event is out. So I thought, surely with this out and Christmas coming up, Fortnite may have their own product range or something. I know they've got their Funko Pops, they've got their official t-shirts, but I saw one thing, and it's pretty big. Oh, and apologies if this doesn't fit on the second camera, but look at this. That is a full-sized Halloween pumpkin rocket launcher there, and I'm gonna open it. But one thing, oh my god, almost crushed it then, crikey. I looked for this just a minute ago on eBay. That's where I bought it. And when I bought it, they had loads, and it might have even been on Amazon. But when I look now, they're gone. As in, I don't know if people's bought them or Fortnite's pulled them. And I don't actually think this is official Fortnite merch. I think another company has made this, probably illegally, and they're just flogging it for a lot of money. I think this was like £80, like $100 for a fake pumpkin launcher. So it's made by a company called Spirit. So I don't know, you could look them up. On the back, apparently it works as well. That sounds terrible, but let's just get into this and I'll show you what it looks like straight out of the box. Yeah, I'm not doing that very well. Obviously, you could pick this up for Halloween in a couple of days, or give it as a gift for Christmas. I think it's gonna be pretty cool because this is definitely gonna be an item that's gonna be out every Halloween in game. But like I said, it's quite expensive, so take that into consideration. And like, oh, cheeky. The packaging's terrible. Absolutely terrible. Let's flip this, and I can already tell that this has been snapped off and just super glued on. So I don't think this is official. I think another company has made these, and then possibly a company has just like maybe just sold them for double the price. I don't know. I don't think it's official. You tell me in the comments below if you think this is official, but I don't think it is. So right, this should be get out of here. All right, so it's made in China. No shit. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, that is pretty big. That's the front. I think I just hit my microphone there. Apologies. Turn that around. So this is what it looks like. So usually you'd be like that, like boom. And I think it lights up. You probably can't see that. You probably can't see it here, but this has definitely been snapped off here. So they've super glued that back on. It's very very light. There's a bit of padding stuck behind here. Like, it's okay, I guess. Like, it looks cool if you're actually gonna have like a Fortnite costume for Halloween or you go into a party. This is pretty cool. The only problem is obviously it doesn't come out. You'd like this to ideally shoot off. The detail's like okay. I don't know if you can see here, but a bit of paint is actually like dribbled onto the main design here. But if anything, it's a replica of the in-game rocket launcher, and they've taken into a lot of detail. Like, they've got the handle here as well. They've got the actual pumpkin face on the front. Like, it is legit, but I don't think it's official Fortnite merch. Got a little green LED in there. But yeah, like, it's a good little costume addition to have, but there's no way I'd actually pay $100 for this again. Like, maybe for like $50 I'd probably pick it up for, but anything more than that, and I'd say no. But I'll put links below on eBay if you want to have a look. Like, there's bits of painting on here which is really, really tacky. Like, in here there's a lot of gunk. They've super glued the don't even know what that is, the reload button. And then in here on the actual trigger, they've super glued like some foam behind it, so that looks pretty bad. But from first glance, Pretty cool, I dig it. Nothing special though. But yeah, so there you have it. A quick unboxing of the real life Fortnite Halloween pumpkin launcher. I don't know what you call this thing. It's a pumpkin launcher, I know that. But yeah, so that should be still in game for a few more weeks, I think. Maybe when the season ends, or if it's just in for Fortnitemares, which is probably only a couple of weeks now. So there you have it, an unboxing of the pumpkin launcher in Fortnite. If I see any more weapons, I will definitely pick them up. I did unbox the scar, which you can see in the card above. But yeah, definitely keep an eye on this channel. Hit subscribe if you want to see some more Fortnite stuff that might be coming through the office. If not, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Say hello to my little pumpkin. Oh. Definitely not putting that in.